Hello, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. I want to do a short video on how to set up your Quill account and also how to order from Quill. So the first thing you're going to do is go to quill.com, which is up here, Quill.com. Once you get on the screen, you're going to go to the right where it says My Account. You're going to click on the drop-down menu. It's going to ask you to create an account since you don't already have an account. Once you create an account, you're going to go here. Under create a profile, you're going to put your business email address and verify, and also the password for it and verify. You're also going to check whether it's a business or a consumer. So since we're doing business credit, we're going to check business and we're going to click create profile. Once you create the profile, you click that. You're going to log in with that login and password you just created, and you're going to come to account settings. Once you get to account settings, you're going to click on view all settings. Once you get there, you're going to go and see where you can edit the information that's not there and put it in there. So it's going to ask you your name, phone number, fax number, contact email address, and then they're going to ask you some business stuff like the number of employees, the year your business was established, your business type, which is a drop-down menu, and then the specialty, which is a drop-down under the business type menu to further define the type of business that you're doing. Then you're going to go, if you have any questions in reference to your account and setting it up, if this video don't explain it to you quite like you need to be explained, then you can call this number right here, 800-982-3400, and let them walk you through it. Just make sure that you verify the information that they are entering and make sure they're spelling everything correctly before you go on to the next step. So once you complete all your account settings, you're going to go and you're going to order whatever you need to order. Make sure that when you're ordering, at least $50 worth of merchandise, right? That's before any taxes or any shipping and handling and everything. It has to total at least $50 right there. So I ordered some stuff in mine. And then once you on this page, you're going to see whether, it's going to have the tabs, whether it's a Visa checkout, it's a credit card, or it's an invoice my account. So once you have that tab there, if you have that tab there, that means that you can invoice Quill. Quill will invoice you after everything is shipped. So once everything ships, go ahead and pay for it. I know you have like 30 days to pay once it ships, but pay it before the 30 days are up. Pay it like, if you can pay it in 2 weeks, pay it within 2 weeks. So it can report that you have a payment history on there. So you go down and fill in like this information. Your billing address is the same as my delivery address. If so, then, you can have it shipped there. You'll check this box right here. But if not, you'll want to come down here and enter this information in, your name, address, phone number, street address, and everything. You enter all that information where you want the item shipped. Your billing address will remain separate. So you can go on down here and you see that you can put a reference number if you want to. Delivery instructions, I just put front door right there. And you see my total is $57.81. And same thing over here. I saved $4 somewhere. I don't know what I clicked on. I can't remember. But it gave me the option to save $4. So I saved $4 on today's deal. Or maybe that was just a sale or something like that I saved on. But once you verify your information over here where you want to ship that, and these are the items that you want shipped, and the price and everything, make sure it's at least $50. Then you're going to come down here and submit your order. Once you submit your order, you're going to get a confirmation email. And once your product ship, you're going to you get notification as well. And you're going to get your invoice. So make sure you get your invoice and pay attention to it and go ahead and make that payment so it can start generating your paydex score and you can start building your business credit. Thank you for watching. My name is Mira Taylor, Better Day Consultant and Credit Repair. You can reach us by phone at 833-522-0200. And you can also visit our website at www.betterdayconsulting.com. Thank you for watching.